Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart. Do you want to speak English more fluently? Welcome to our new video. Today, we will help you boost your English speaking skills in a fun and easy way. In this lesson, we have two parts. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, shadowing practice. So, are you ready to make your English stronger and speak with more confidence? Let's get started.
Part 1. English Listening Practice. In this part, you will listen to a conversation between two fluent speakers. Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning. The more you listen, the easier it will be to understand people in everyday life.
David, long time no see. What brings you to the mall?
Hey Emma, I'm looking for a birthday gift. My sister turns 20 tomorrow.
How exciting! What does she like?
She loves music and art, but I'm totally lost. Shopping isn't my strong point.
Don't worry, I'm a shopping expert. Mind if I help you out?
Really? That would be amazing. I've been walking around for hours.
No problem. Let's start with the music store. Does she play any instruments?
She plays guitar. She's always practicing in her room.
Perfect. Look at these colorful guitar picks. They're pretty and practical.
Those are nice, but maybe too simple. I want something special.
I get it. How about that guitar strap over there? It has beautiful designs.
Wow. She would love that pattern. How much does it cost?
Let me check the price tag. $35. Not too expensive.
That's perfect. Within my budget. You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help. But wait, we should get a gift box too.
Good thinking. I always forget about wrapping. You're so organized.
Years of practice. Oh, I just remembered something important.
What's that?
Tomorrow is Saturday. Most stores close early. We should hurry.
Oh no. What time is it now?
Almost 5 o'clock. The music store closes at 6.
Let's go then. I can't mess this up. She's my favorite sister.
Your only sister, right?
Exactly. That's why she's my favorite.
Part 2. Shadowing Practice. Now it's time to practice shadowing. You will hear one person say a sentence. Listen and repeat out loud. Then, you will say the other person's sentence by yourself. You will speak both parts, one after the other.
David, long time no see. What brings you to the mall? How exciting! What does she like? Don't worry, I'm a shopping expert. Mind if I help you out? No problem. Let's start with the music store. Does she play any instruments? Perfect.
Those are nice, but maybe too simple. I want something special. Wow. She would love that pattern. How much does it cost? That's perfect. Within my budget. You're a lifesaver. good thinking. I always forget about wrapping. You're so organized. What's that? Oh no. What time is it now? Let's go then. I can't mess this up. She's my favorite sister.
Great job today. You're getting better every time you practice. Keep watching, listening, and speaking to power up your English skills. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your progress or questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. See you soon!